President of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, we formally accept you, applicant Roque Cantula, to form part of the Batch 10 program of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club.
Kuya Chair, in front of you is applicant Rex Susi Guerrera, Korea, who successfully passed the first IA year and now formally endorsing him to be an official aspirant to Batch 10, Kuya Chair.
I, Raxosi Korea, humbly nothing asking and seeking your prestige organization, the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, to accept me as Batch 10 aspirant.
Please rise again, mga kuya. By the power and authority vested in me as the club president of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, we formally accept you, applicant Rex Jose Guria, sir naman, Guria, to form part of the Batch 10 program of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club.
Kuya Chair, in front of you is applicant Nilo Makasling, who successfully passed the first IA year and now formally endorsing him to be official aspirant to Batch 10, Kuya Chair.
I, Nilo Makasling, humbly nothing asking and seeking the prestigious organization, the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, to accept me as Batch 10 aspirant.
Please rise again, mga kuya. By the power and authority vested in me as the club president of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, we formally accept you, applicant Nilo Makasling, to form part of the Batch 10 program of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club.
Kuya Chair, in front of you is applicant William Delmo, who successfully passed the first IA year and now formally endorsing him to be official aspirant to Batch 10, Kuya Chair.
I, William Telmo, humbly nothing asking and seeking your prestigious organization, the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, to accept me as Batch aspirant.
Please rise again, mga kuya. By the power and authority vested in me as the club president of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, we formally accept you, applicant William Telmo, to form part of the Batch 10 aspirancy program of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club. Congratulations.
Congratulations ngayon tanan. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Chair. Kuya Sec, let's proceed with our agenda.
Thank you, Kuya Press. Next on our agenda would be our Batch 10 updates.
Again, may we request the chairman for membership to please update us for the Batch 10 program. Kuya Chair.
Okay, good noon sa tanan. At itong mga kuya niya karon sa tuwang mga aspirant. Una-una, thank you sa inyong tanan na pagtambong karon dili. Thank you sa mga aspirant na kaning Cebu Peacemaker inyong bibig. I hope mapunan pa mo kung kadaghan mo kay mas nindot ang daghan unang-una makalisit princess. No, mas nindot ang daghan ng ating Batch 10 and welcome kayo sa Batch karon sa Sipek. Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, itindak ninyo to belong to Sipek Mother Club. Okay, update na to sa inyong aspirancy. So, anyway, siguro not like before na madali na tao kita. So, atong i-screening pa kayo. So, not like before, nauban-uban na mga kasi tayo sa talagang so medyo kuwang pakuban. So daghan pa kag may bawaan sa so daghan sa patabangan. So ang among target induction sa inyo ha starting July. So I hope na magpadayon ng tanan kung mga kuya, isa yung mga na yung mga maka-rekomenda kung mga another aspirant ay gamay rin kayo sila. Ilan sila po karon. So, I hope na natay ka mga kuya, natay ka recommend, or kamusan, natay ka recommend na madismaad sa ito ang batch din. Okay, so we have planned already also our another sususibig, but we'll update with the GC. No? Okay, ito pa rin i-finalize, whether ito pa rin sabutan. No? So, target na mo is July induction. So, layo pa man ta. March, April, May, June, July. So, layo pa. No, daghan pa tag ma-invite. So, dili tawag na ito na-recruit ha. Recruit, mga sundalo na. Ato invite sa ato ang organisasyon. So, dili sa mo mag-recognize mag-invite sa ato ang club kay medyo kini nga si peacemaker pero ilado kay diri sa dili sa Cebu or sa other siguro sikat dili ko sikat kasi ilado ta tungod kay ato ang head of ato ang office is lagi sa Biscom, no? Anyway, ato ang club press nga puti magka-abdi ka active sa AFE. So I hope na kamong kanan dili na wala mo outside mo ha padayon ang pagit mo. So another update, so update kami sa DC sa mga incoming activity o susisipig ninyo. Anyway, this is your first GMM and first susisipig. Ano? Before nakasusipig na before ko sa Korea. Okay, count na iyo ha. So daghan pa ta. So daghan salamat.
Will be still open membership for the application for batch. When will be the last accommodation day for batch? We should set the date in that.
Okay, additional announcement.
Wait, when is that?
We close our aspirancy April 15.
Okay, with that mga kuya, we need all our support to boost this batch. Anyway, I believe we are now 13. Diba? So, pati sa inyo mga sirs and ma'am, if you have other individuals who would like to join, feel free. Invite sila. You could invite them. They could still observe muna. Kung gusto nila, you could continue the aspirancy. Or if not, wala namang problema. Para mas marami kayo, mas hindi kayo mahirapan pagdating sa funding na. Anyway, you still have more than 3 months to go to be included sa ranks ng regular legal ranks. Okay? So mga kuya, please be reminded that April 15 will be the last. 15 kuya, right?
Kuya, with that around discussion,
Okay.
let me just put that into a motion. I move, Kuya Press, that we close our batch 10 acceptance of application on the 15th of April 2024.
Okay, kuya, there is a motion here for the last day for accepting members of batch 10. Is there a second to the motion? Is there any violent reaction? Baka gusto nyo hanggang July tayo mag-accept mga kuya. Okay, with that mga kuya, motion is hereby approved. Thank you, Kuya Chair. Please proceed, Kuya Sir.
Okay, next on the agenda will be our social civic activity updates.
Kuya Vice, please enlighten us.
Kuya Chair, we have, as of now, we have one pending social civic activity. That is water tower construction, which is currently being coordinated and spearheaded by our good regional assemblyman, Kuya Jonas Baron. And I think he has an update with us offline earlier during our talk, but it would be best if he can enlighten the club about the status of the social civic activity.
Okay, good morning once again mga kuya. For information lang, I made a coordination na sa HIPE, sa Police Station 3 last week together with Kuya Vicky. So, gidasa na ko dito ang katong sponsor sa materials. And then, ang iyan ko, siya na lang gani mo trabaho dito. So hopefully, nanawag siya na kung gahapon kung available niya panday din mo sa Holy iya magpasok possibly by Monday. If not, after sa Holy Week na lang. So ang ako lang is andaman lang na salita kaya kung magsugod na ang construction nito sa water tower, magkahintay panahon na mo join ka dito or photo ops lang. No? Anyway, yes, iyaman tanan ang lihok dito para lang ang aking gusto nga ma-acknowledge dito siya na sipik to siya na project. No? So, mag-communicate na tayo through sa ato ang group chat kung ano sa tayo makato dito. Nasa bang kaya?
Thank you very much.
Kuya Press, we also have another pending that I can recall. We promised the Sibugay Sibugay Integrated School in Barangay Sibugay. Also related to the water tank which we promised. Remember, we donated a plastic water tank in that school, and they said that they will be needing 8 hour also for that said water tank.
We are sure that will be the tasking of your budget and continue the program started by batch 9 in sa Sibugay Integrated School. Okay. And another is the bloodletting activity. I believe not all the 13 members of batch 10 has contributed for the donated dun sa bloodletting activity natin, right? Mga sirs, nakadonate kayo last sir? Yung hindi nakadonate, wala mong problema yun. You could bring somebody who will donate for you kung hindi kayo pwede. Pero it's a mandatory requirement for you to donate at least one bag before you will be inducted. In DOH. Any more mga kuya for the social civic activity?
Kuya Chair, based on our offline discussion, I believe Kuya Bonifacio Jastre has a recommendation for another social civic activity.
Kuya Bonnie, please enlighten us with the social civic activity to include the road eating activity.
Road eating.
Pwede na sa nagkaom siguro mo husky.
Basta lang candy nga na isungay, klarohon lang tanan.
May hapon mga kuya, sir, ma'am. May propose ko nga kuan, susubik dito sa Manlik Forest sa Barangay Cam 7, Minglanilla. Kaya kadaghang bisita dito nga Sabado, Domingo. Ang ilang mga basura, nagkalat lang sa kilid sa ako. Hindi naman matabang niya. Kasi magkahina ng yung time, clean up drive ka dito sa Amua. At the same time, dito na lang ta mag-game para isa na lang ang kuwan. Isa na lang sa... Amo pong i-appeal ang barangay para daghan ta. Mga tapgo. Tapgo, mga kanod. Mga habal-habal driver.
Paila sa sidan.
Na to. Thank you.
So when will be our next social civic activity? Kuya Bonnie, anong recommendation niyo mga kuya? We have April 13 or April 20. That would be a good Saturday for us. Anong recommendation?
Kuya Puli, sa preference naman ito?
April 13 or April 20? Pares sa Saturday.
Ay, kung ako na sir, i-kuha ko sa group chat ko. Ang isipin kasi maka-join sa ko.
Mas maganda yan. Our sister club, the Southern Cebu Peacemaker will join us.
Ako inform si Kuya Pres, ready para po may plano. Dito niya po mag-GMM.
Hindi lang pala kami yun, election na. Dapat
Siyempre. Hindi, pwede kami. Ang SCPEC, election. Ang CPEC, pwede lang i-break.
Okay. Mga sir, as you can see, with your batch, we focus on environment management. Hindi masyado magastos yun. More on attendance na yun. More on cleanup ang gagawin natin. Kasi with the other social civic activities, medyo mabigat yung mga former batches. Yung mga giving, feeding, medyo mabigat. So, with your batch, focus muna tayo doon. Okay? Saka matagal na tayo walang masyadong environmental activity mga kuya. Environmental activity. Any more mga kuya for the social civic activity? So again, kuya, that will be an April ha? Kuya Bonnie. Kuya Bonnie. April yan ha? I schedule na either 13 or 20. Together with Southern Cebu Peacemaker and Barangay Personalities. Sino mga nakapunta na dun sir? Yung 1 week for it? Nakapunta.
Mga riders.
Riders?
Punta ko rito.
Oo. Tapos doon tayo mag-GMM sa may tower. Nakakit na kayo ng tower, sir. Going up to the tower station. Ang po 8 ba?
Ang second year, sir.
Ay, 7 ba yan?
Masaka.
Mas kayo sa taas. Okay, yes, sir. Please proceed.
Okay, thank you Kuya and sirs. Next would be our membership update. That's a great thing.
For our membership update, Kuya Vice, again, please.
Yes, Kuya Sek, right now I have two additional renewal forms that I got from other members. Also, 3 revised forms this week from other Kuya who wishes to renew. With this, I think we won't be waiting until the last person should be Kuya Archie to Kuya Toby. He is asking for a membership form. And then with that, I think that should complete. And by next week, we should be ready to transmit everything for our renewal to be completed, Kuya Pres.
Okay, Kuya, we have to transmit everything by Monday kasi mag-Holy Week na. Para ma-follow up natin yung national, yung regional to follow up the national activity. Ito, biyat ko.
Dapat kasi kuhanin na yung Gilroy sa Monday.
So, Monday yung deadline natin, Kuya.
Gaman ba wala kong firma sa Kuya Kuya?
Makuha na siya.
Ano daw yung sabihin?
Si Kuya Hidri na mapapirma dyan sa manas Kuya.
Ito na, okay lang talaga firma na to.
Yung sa akin.
Okay, let's proceed.
Kuya Sek,
Next would be other matters.
Kuya Pres, with current working committees that we have in CPEC, in Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, I see that there are some other committees that need assistance from our new and existing Kuya in the club. With this, Kuya Pres, I move to appoint Kuya Greg Dumula as co-vice chair of the membership and screening committee, Kuya Rek Jordan Guanzon as a co-vice chair of the membership and screening committee, as well as Kuya Lindro Michael Villarin as a co-vice chair for the committee on awards and recognition, Kuya Pres.
Mga Kuya, there is a motion for the appointment of the new Kuya to join our membership committee chair. And here, sir. Is there any violent reaction regarding that? Parang si Kuya Bonnie gusto rin niya magmako. Siya lang yung nag-a-attend sa atin para Okay, Kuya? If there is none, any second? Okay, Kuya. Motion is hereby approved. Any more other matters, mga Kuya?
Kuya Chair, other matters, Kuya Chair. With the other matters, we have a certificate for those who participated in the bloodletting last March 15 at Visco. The certificate states the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, the First Philippine Board Social Civic Activity Service to Strong Brotherhood, Central Visayas Region 10, Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club. Certificate of attendance is hereby presented to in grateful recognition of your participation during the bloodletting activity on March 15. Your dedication, hard work, and generosity have made a significant impact, and we are grateful for your support given this 15th day of March 2024 at Bondad Hall, Camp Lapu-Lapu, Visayas Command, Apas, Tahoe, Cebu City. Signed, Kuya Eagle Human de la Cruz, President, Kuya Eagle Ralph Villarino, Vice President. If your name is called, please get your certificate. Sir Nilo Macasli, Sir Rocky Gatdula, Sir Benedict Paraiso is not around, Kuya Ryan Villamor is not around, Kuya Villarta is not around, Kuya Michael Lindro Villarin, Kuya Gal. Kuya Harold, can you take Kuya Gala's certificate, please? Sir William Telmo. Mark Darrell de la Torre, who sponsored Mark Darrell de la Torre? Kuya Bernard, Kuya Cyrus, Kuya Wilper, ba't dalawa? Unfair na. Jack Lo Mara. John B. Fabrica. Who sponsored John B. Fabrica? Mark De La Torre. Mowen Ramirez.
Dapat may ebidensya kayo, ha?
Jenny Bentek. Jenny Bentek. That's it, Kuya Press, for the certificates.
Okay, Kuya. Do you have any more for this body regarding any club matters? Mga applicants, mga aspirants, sir, do you have anything for us? Baka may gusto kayo sabihin. Huwag lang sasaya, wala lang kakanta muna, mamaya na lang. If there is none, Kuya Sek, let's now proceed.
Okay, yeah, press. Next would be our patronal message will be given by our Regional Assemblyman, Jonas Barol.
Once again mga kuya, good afternoon. Good to sa good noon. First and foremost, I would like to thank the mga kuyas na ni-ari to support sa activities sa itong mga aspirants. No? So, yun na namin, aspirant mga sirs, ma'am, ang inyong mga inyong kuya is willing to support unsay mga activities ng inyong ipahigayon. So, I hope sa kamusahin sa mga aspirants na you will continue, no? Dili lang ta mayon sa primero sa sugod nya dili mo na utay. I want you people to be consistent nga mahimo kini mga full praise kuya o ate. So narami mga kuyas nga nagbantay nag-assist o willing mo tabang ninyo anytime nga you need our help. So mga kuya, thank you for coming here. Mga aspirants, keep up the good work. And I hope to see you in the future activities naamo naagmi natantanan magdungan taglupan. Ug ako lang i-reiterate ang akong intention diya akong isulti ganina dito sa Blind area kung why naataduri nagkakang sa akong civic activities. No? Ako tagaan importansya kini mangrove preservation. So kay malagi ang kining area na agdo ng mga fisher folks diri makita na ninyo diha may managat papasunahan. So sila igo ra gyud sila pagmanagat, wala sila concerned sa kining sustainability silang livelihood, no? Kaya gini sa mangrove area, namugod mo ni sport area sa mga isda, so na diri. Kung na mga basura diha magkatan na dili mahipos, dili mayo, dili mo daghan o di mo sana yung isda, no? So wala sana sa akong nahunahunaan activity para ninyo sa mga aspirants. And then kamo sa mga aspirants, swerte mo kaya sa amo ang time lahi-lahi yun ang amo ang gihanay yun may no? Gikan sa interview, introduction, exhibition, blah blah blah. Pero ganing inyo mga magkapit 3-in-1, no? Iusan lang inyong interview, introduction, and then at the same time na-jive na to ang pag-join ninyo sa general membership meeting, which is a mandatory requirement. So, panapapantay, sususiding pa. This is part of your sususiding activity. So, nakatuhan mo, nanamoy EGMM, nanamoy sususiding activity. So, keep moving. Kami, we will see to it, you will be guided accordingly. So, again, salamat o mayong mutual to tanan.
Thank you, Kuya Jonas, for that inspiring message. Next would be our Eagles host by Kuya June Abanano.
Salamat sa successful na itong socio-civic karon nga gihimo diri sa Liluan, Papa Kids. O salamat sa mga applicant, mga kuya nga nakakaroon sa 3rd GMM. O maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Cheers!
Please remain standing. Sirs, Kuya. Next would be our Eagles, to be led by our outdoor Herald, Kuya Herald Parenya.
Kuya, please raise your right hand. I state your name. Having religiously subscribe to the Constitution and the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, and aware of my responsibility to my God and country, to hereby pledge to promote and defend at all times said Constitution and Magna Carta and their ideals to the best of my ability and within the power and capacity. So help me God.
Yeah, you may all sit down, sirs, ma'am. For our closing remarks, may we request our Vice President, Kuya Ralph Vincent Villarino.
Mga kuya, ate, and batch 10 applicants, forgive me for missing out greetings from the presidential table to our club president, Kuya Colonel Cyrus Newman de la Cruz, and our regional assemblyman, Kuya Jonas Barol, as well as to my left, Kuya Club Sec Ding EU. Mga kuya, allow me first, before I deliver my closing remarks, allow me to thank some personalities who, in one way or another, have helped make this social civic activity and GMM a success. First and foremost, to Kuya Jonas Barol for his undying support to have this social civic activity be successful. He spearheaded this activity top to bottom until today. We also have Kuya Greg Jumula for coordinating hand in hand with the chairman of the membership committee, Kuya Chronix Bully, to make sure that our aspirants are ready. Coordination from the cascade of information until the uniform. Our aspirants really look good with their aspirant uniform. Kuya Greg, thank you. Kuya Toby for also his industrious work in collecting all the fees, the 250 assessment. I don't know if it's already complete, Kuya Toby. And of course, our last minute man, who I think sometimes God works in mysterious ways. Kay naay kuya, gahapon i-signify nga mo-attend social civic. Alas 5 sa buntag, ning chat, kuya, hupag kayo tunga sa kong mata, di ko makaanha, di ko makadrive tarong siguro, GMM na lang ko. Alas 7, ni-reply, kuya, makaanha ko, on the way na ko. Pagka GMM na to, padong na talang breakfast na diri. Ana si Kuya Toby. Kuya, sayop ang gong ako nadala. Alas 9 na to ha, alas 7 pa to ni text si Kuya nga on the way na siya. Ikan daw siya Toledo. Tawagan ako siya alas 9 kape na siya nga, Kuya, mandawi na ko. Ah, sakto Kuya. Timing kayo mo hang pag-ari. Balik sa kampo. Kay kuhaon din mo ang gong na to. Kuya Perwin, thank you kayo sa pag-abot diri. Kay dili ta makatukuan sa tuang GMM kung wala ning atuang kung gatong banner in town. Anyway, to proceed, of course, di na po makalimtan ang mga early morning chat ni Kuya Sec Dinky. Mahibong na lang kung sa una di man ta dinanig active si Kuya Dinky, Kuya Pres, Kuya Jo. Ambot karon alas 2, alas 3 sa kadlaw. May gani mata pakuha na ng mga oras po. Muchat, Kuya Vice, okay na ning program na to. Kuya Vice, inani akong buhaton. Kuya Vice, mo ba ni active na sa kayo. Daghang salamat, Kuya Sec. Anyway, with all these, I think Kuya applicants, the message that I want to impart in this closing remarks is just, no matter how small, no matter how simple an activity is or how complex an activity is, if we have the core group as well as the members working hand in hand, we will make that social civic or whatever activity a success. Before I end this, I would also like to acknowledge Kuya Bonifacio Destre for his undying support to CPEC. Bisan dual na siya sa South Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club. Let's give him a round of applause. As well as one of my idols, ang isa na ko ka-idol yun, sa attendance niya, sa GMM attendance, si Kuya Jonas. May grabe ako yung pagka-idol, katong naa pa siya IV. Pagkong kitagtangan og IV, gikan, chongwa, ning abot og kampo. Ano naa, magkaduligod ka ba? Ako kong discharge, Kuya. Attend og GMM. Okay, right? And my second idol is Kuya Tolit Daratan. And of course, my third is Kuya Fred Amaga. Di yun siya mo-absent. Bisan pag magkinaon sa, basta lang nawa siya ilakaw while like one. Kuya Fred, thank you for coming. Mga Kuya, the importance in attendance of a GMM is really important. It's really important because that's where we get our quorum. We cannot proceed if we don't have a quorum. Applicants, we hope to see you when you become a Kuya. You will be part of the numbers of CPEC, and we will like to hear from you as well. And your participation is really appreciated. Mga Kuya, di na po tasod. Daghang salamat and maayong hapon.
Thank you, Kuya Vice. And then for our adjournment, may we request our club president, Kuya Cyrus Limanipus.
Okay, mga kuya, mga applicants, before I call for the adjournment, first and foremost, again, we would like to thank our very own Kuya Jonas Parol for the warm accommodations natin dito sa mga kuya. Let's give Kuya Jonas and for all the other kuya who has, in one way or another, has very been active dito sa Batch 10 program natin. I know si Kuya Buli gusto niya mag-attend sa as much activities kasi pero with busy schedule. Kaya naglagay kami Kuya Buli ng maraming deputy mo. Para in case na wala ka, at least nandyan. And with that, I'd like to thank you Kuya Buli and Kuya Greg for the successful conduct also of the bloodletting activity. Last Friday, Kuya, no? O kasi maitim pa yung akin, no? May dugo pa. And for the other kuya na nakauwi na kanina, naintindihan naman natin yun. Meron sila mga official functions nila kailangan attendan in official activity. And sa mga aspirant natin, mga applicants natin, hopefully, mapadami pa namin kayo. We still have enough time. We have at least a month to go para mapadami pa namin kayo. Pero naset na yung deadline, nag-gong na natin. Until 15, pag wala nang pupunta doon, you will be the Batch 10 of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club. And starting now, mag-isip na kayo ng mga pangalan ninyo. Kasi that's the tradition ng Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club. We have names per batch. Proposal. Okay, tandaan nyo, may kasama kayong babae ha. So, mag-isip kayo ng kakaibang name na mag-accommodate din sa babae. Okay, mga kuya. Again, thank you very much sa pag-attend nyo dito sa third general membership meeting natin and second socio-civic activity ng mga aspirant natin. Please rise, mga kuya. By the power and authority vested in me as the club president of the Cebu Peacemaker Eagles Club, this third general membership meeting is hereby adjourned. Mabuhay ang CPEC!
Thank you mga kuya and see you on April.
See you later, by the
ato nang kuano na padayon kita kay murag kanang din kuan kayo murag kanang gisugdan na ninyo ako sa